Good Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. It's not so bad this morning, and we're going to approach the lower 70s today, but that's going to be the last time we're going to see that for quite a while. This is the daily video forecast discussion for this Wednesday, the 21st of October 2015. And we have clear to partly cloudy skies across the forecast region this morning. We have generally calm winds and temperatures running in the upper 40s to low and mid 50s. A few upper 50s now at Central Park with clear skies this morning at 7 a.m. 58 degrees. Into the Hudson River Valley, temperatures are either side of 50 right now. Out on eastern Long Island, upper 40s at Islip to around 58 at Montauk Point with a southerly wind at 3 miles per hour. Generally partly cloudy in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. Temperatures ranging from the lower 40s over interior northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County area to around 51 in Newark this morning under clear to partly cloudy skies. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com. A digital atmosphere software shows our nice high pressure ridge over the top of us in the Tennessee River Valley area, ridging all the way up through the Virginias, the Carolinas, and all the way up into the northern mid-Atlantic region. This is ground clutter here. This is all clear skies under this ridge, and this cold front here is lying west to east with an upward level disturbance here crossing the southeastern regions or the central southern regions of Canada. It will be scooting over into Quebec, Canada over the next couple of days, and will allow this cold front to slowly move to the south and interact with warmer air streaming in on southwesterly winds over the next couple of days. But I can tell you now that these showers out here will probably remain mostly to the north with just an isolated chance on Thursday afternoon as the front moves through the region. Morning past visible satellite imagery this morning. Clouds to the north, clear skies over our forecast region. That should be the main rule for today, except for some high clouds across the region. Most of the lifting and moisture concentrated in the water vapor channel this morning is to our north and east, and that will remain so, as we can see, with this warm frontal boundary that's nearly stationary across, well, let's say the Great Lakes all the way into the northeastern regions of southern New England, and this is allowing the rain showers to move from west to east along this frontal boundary, staying removed from our forecast region. And we have no airport delays, and we have no watches, warnings, or advisories either, so the aviational deck is looking good today. VFR conditions expected through the period. The surface flow remaining out of the southwest and south. Wind speed should be less than 10 knots during today. Thursday and Thursday night, predominantly VFR, just a slight chance of a shower late afternoon and evening, mainly terminals along and northwest of I-95 as the cold front attempts to come through the region. Friday, VFR, slight chance of a shower in the morning, mainly Atlantic City and Millville. North to northwest winds gusting up to 20 to 25 knots at all terminals in the morning after the cold frontal passage. Friday night and Saturday, predominantly VFR. Low probability of early morning patchy fog at Allentown and Reading. Saturday night through Sunday, MVFR possible in a shower. Otherwise, outside of that, VFR. Not too bad at all. Newark Airport this morning, 51 degrees, dew point 43, humidity 74%, the wind southwest at 3, few clouds at 10,000 and 25,000, VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia is looking good too, 52, dew point 46, humidity 80%, the wind is southwest at 7, few clouds at around 2,800, VFR conditions in place. Morning surface analysis and forecast going ahead from the Weather Prediction Center. Here's our beautiful area of high pressure providing us with beautiful weather conditions today. Temperatures getting into the low 70s in many areas. In fact, yesterday temperatures got into the upper 60s to lower 70s, but I think more 70s will be prevalent today, but that's probably going to be the last time as this frontal system will be approaching our region. Now the forecast is to keep this to the north with any shower activity to the north of the region today as high pressure is anchored over and offshore the mid-Atlantic and southeastern coast states. We still have this trough axis here hugging the southeastern coast, but this will not affect our weather. As we move into the day on Thursday and Thursday night, this area of low pressure will be filling and weakening as it moves into Quebec, Canada. The warm front will remain to our north. To our west, skies will increase in cloud cover, but should still be a pretty nice day tomorrow, and we'll find showers moving into the region, scattered about the region as the cold front moves through during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow night. There's about a 20 or 30% chance of an isolated shower across this region, and that will not include all locations. And then Canadian polar high pressure begins to build in once again for the weekend with dry conditions on Saturday and predominantly on Sunday too. Again, another warm front will be lifting to our north and east with another area of low pressure heading into Atlantic Canada. and dragging a cold front closer to the coast. Now, the front, if it passes through, will introduce some clouds. An outlier shower is possible, but most regions will remain dry on Sunday and Monday too. As the front moves through, more high pressure and dry conditions build in for the region. The next chance of a cold front or anything approaching our area would be probably later on Wednesday. Now, this continues to change. The 6 to 10 day outlooks for yesterday called for above normal temperatures. I told you that wasn't probably going to be likely. The next 6 to 10 days now, from October 26th through the 30th, we've got a lot of typhoons recurving here out in the Pacific, and that is going to impact the polar jet stream, and therefore a ridge will be building in across the western United States, and more of a trough will be amplified in the polar stream across the eastern United States. So now the CPC is showing below normal temperature profiles here for the ending of October. In the precipitation department, we're going to start ramping up the subtropical jet stream. That's going to continue to make things quite wet across the southeastern United States, and there's some hinge of some kind of phasing here going on later in the month of October or early November that could include a wetter chance for the eastern seaboard, probably even up to the Delmarva region at that point up through the 30th of October. And then they're backing away on that idea again with above normal temperatures from the October 28th through November 3rd period. This is the 8 to 14 day near or slightly above normal temperatures as the pattern reloads. We know that recurving typhoons actually enhance the polar and subtropical jet streams in our favor for precipitation and possible phasing as we get later into the month and early November. So it's going to be an active pattern going forward, but right now you should just enjoy the beautiful weather that we have in place. We did reset the microphones, and unfortunately these wireless things are a problematic thing, so we do apologize if it cut off a little bit at the end there. We'll try it again during tomorrow. For everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Enjoy this fantastic Wednesday.